wait! Am I in trouble? This is my first day in New York.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Turn off the engine and put your hands on the wheel.
My vacation is a nightmare. Do you want to see why?
I'm driving to my hotel. This is my first time driving here.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Please turn off the engine. Put your hands on the steering wheel.
Do you know why I stopped you?
I'm not sure. Was I driving too fast?
May I see your driver's license, please?
Yes. One moment. Here you are.
You were driving 45. This road is 30. That's too fast.
Oh, I'm very sorry. This is a rental car. I'm going to my hotel. I'm checking in. I didn't see the speed limit sign.
I understand, but speeding is dangerous. It can hurt people.
Yes, I understand. I'm very sorry.
This time, I'll give you a warning.
Thank you very much.
Here is your license. You may go now.
Thank you.
Drive safely.
Okay, no more speeding. I just want to get to the hotel now. I finally arrive at my hotel. Now I want to check in.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the AFU Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I want to check in.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Let me check your booking. You have a room for 3 nights. It is a king room. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Great. We need a credit card. This is for a deposit. It is $50. You get it back after checkout.
Sorry, what is the deposit for?
It is for extra costs. For example, minibar or room service. If there is no extra cost, you get all the money back.
Okay, here is my card.
Thank you very much. Your room number is 512. Checkout time is 11 a.m. Breakfast is free for 2 people. Breakfast is from 8 to 10. The elevator is on the left. Enjoy your stay. Please tell us if you need help.
Thank you. I checked in already. Now, I am going to find my room. What is this? This is a closet, not a room.
Hello, this is the AFU Hotel front desk. How can I help you?
Hi, I am calling from room 512. I think there is a problem. I booked a king room, but this room is small. Is this the wrong room?
I'm very sorry. May I have your name, please?
My name is Maya.
Do you have your reservation number?
Yes, it is 007.
Thank you. I am checking the system. I'm sorry. We do not have a king room now.
What? I booked a king room. This is not okay. I'd planned this trip for a long time. I am not happy. I may write a bad review.
I understand. I'm very sorry about this. Please wait a moment. I need to talk to my manager.
Okay.
Thank you for waiting. Good news. We have a king room now. We can change your room today. We are very sorry for the mistake.
That is good. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Someone will help you soon. Enjoy your stay.
I changed to a new room. Now I can finally sleep. Wait, why is it so hot? Is the AC on? Hello? You have got to be kidding me. Excuse me, I'm in room 612. The air conditioner is not working.
I'm very sorry. I will send someone to check it. Please wait a moment.
Hello, I am from maintenance. I am here to check the air conditioner.
Okay.
I checked the air conditioner. It is broken. We cannot fix it now. It will take a long time. You need to change rooms.
Oh no, I just unpacked my bags. Do I have to move?
Yes, I'm sorry. The front desk will help you. We can help with your bags.
I'm very sorry for the trouble. We have a new room for you. It is room 618. It is down the hall.
I am so tired. I just got off the plane. This is not a good experience.
I understand. I'm very sorry again. Dinner tonight is free. The spa is also free.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Please enjoy your dinner and spa.
Room 618. I'm here. I am so tired. But I have a free dinner. Let's see what I can order.
Good evening. Room service. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Maya. I am in room 618. I want to order dinner. I also need dry cleaning.
Of course. Your dinner is free tonight. This is for the air conditioner problem.
Okay, thank you.
What would you like for dinner?
I would like a steak, medium.
Okay. Would you like a salad and water?
Yes, salad and sparkling water.
Okay. Would you like potatoes? And do you need salt and pepper?
Yes, mashed potatoes, please. Thank you.
Do you need forks and napkins?
That's good.
What time would you like dinner?
7:30.
Okay. Dinner at 7:30. Now about dry cleaning. What clothes do you have?
One jacket, one shirt, one pair of pants.
Okay. Pick up tonight or tomorrow.
Tonight is fine.
Okay. Someone will come in 15 minutes. Do you need a laundry bag?
Yes, one more hanger.
No problem. Dinner at 7:30. Dry cleaning in 15 minutes. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice evening.
I'm at the airport. I need a phone SIM card. Let's go.
Hi. Welcome to Wireless Hub. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a phone. I need a SIM card.
Okay, no problem. Are you new to America?
Yes, I just arrived.
Great. Do you want prepaid or monthly?
Sorry, what is prepaid?
Prepaid means you pay first. You pay every month. There is no contract.
Okay, I want prepaid.
Sure. Do you want unlimited data?
Yes, unlimited data. How much per month?
It's $50 a month. This includes calls, texts, and data.
Okay, I want this plan.
Great. Can I see your passport?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Here is your SIM card. Put it in your phone and restart.
Okay, how do I pay every month?
You can pay online or in the store.
Okay, I will pay online.
Perfect. Let me know if you need help.
Yes, I'm connected. Now, let's rent a car and drive to the hotel. We made it through the first day. If you want to see day 2, please subscribe to my channel.